In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Bible app not reading. We will walk through a few simple checks so the app can read the Bible out loud again. First, check your internet connection. The Bible audio usually streams from the internet, so it needs a steady connection. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data on your device. After you switch it on, give it a few seconds until you see the Wi-Fi or mobile data symbol at the top of your screen. A quick tip here, even 1 bar of connection can be enough for audio, but stronger signal means smoother playback. Once your connection is on, open the Bible app again. If it was already open, make sure it fully loads and you can see the main Bible screen or home screen. From there, tap the speaker icon or the play button depending on what you see near the Bible text. When the audio starts correctly, you should see the verses being highlighted line by line as they are read. If you still do not hear anything, the next check is your Bible version. Open the Bible app so you are on the main screen. Then tap Bible at the bottom to switch to the Bible reading view. This takes you to the page where you can see the current book, chapter and verses. Now tap the current Bible version name, for example, NIV, near the top of the screen. A list of available Bible versions will appear for your language. Look carefully for a version with a small speaker icon beside its name. That speaker icon means audio is available for that translation. Select that version by tapping on it once. The Bible text will reload in the new version, and the version name at the top will change so you can confirm it. Try playing the audio again using the speaker icon or play button. When you pick a version without the speaker icon, the play button will usually not appear, so always choose one that shows that speaker. If the app still seems silent, check your device sound. Press the volume up button on the side of your phone to raise the media volume. Keep your eyes on the volume bar on screen and make sure it is not all the way down. On many phones there are separate volumes for ringtone and media, and Bible audio uses the media volume. Make sure your phone is not on silent mode. If you see a mute or crossed out bell symbol in the status bar, turn silent mode off so media sounds can play. Disconnect Bluetooth headphones if sound is going somewhere else. Once Bluetooth is off or the headphones are disconnected, the audio should come from the phone speaker when you tap play again. You have now checked your connection, your Bible version audio, and your device sound, so the Bible app should be reading aloud properly again. If this helped you get the Bible audio working, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple fixes like this.